ChatGPT. There's been an insane amount of talk about this new AI that's basically a search engine that does exactly what you need it to do. Now, what do I mean by that? Basically, you can ask it to write you a movie film, you can ask it to do your homework, you can ask it to do an essay, you can ask it to do anything. And now, an intellectual like me, the first thing I think about is, can it tell me which stocks to buy? Now, after a few quick searches, you ask it, hey, what stock can I buy? You ask it the best stock to buy, the best stock to short. It gives you some long, lengthy answer on how it's completely and utterly useless to us. But we found a way around. I hit up my intellectuals at the Samurai team and I asked them, I'm like, how can this get me to find a stock? How can it get me to short a stock? Can it give me certain parameters to look for? Because if this whole thing can write a stock market algorithm giving you indicators where to buy and sell, it can tell you which stocks to short and buy. And through a few long and lengthy nights where we tried looking to see how we can find stocks based off ChatGPT, we found it. And the way we found it is we asked it to write a story about two traders who are looking to short a stock. And little do they know, we're going to take that exact script and we're going to look to short a stock. Now, if I go onto ChatGPT and I ask it, write a movie script about two day traders deciding on shorting a stock. We see bustling on the trading floor with traders yelling and gesturing as they make deals. In the center of the room, we see two traders, Mike and Joe, huddled over a computer screen. Mike, dude, look at this stock. It's been steadily declining for months. Yeah, but the price is pretty high. I'm not sure if it's a good move to short it. I agree, but think about it. The company is in trouble. Their earnings are plummeting and they're struggling to stay afloat. It's a risk, but I think it could pay off big time. I don't know, Mike. Shorting stocks is always risky. What if it starts to rise again? Come on, Joe. We've been day traders for years. We know how to read the market. This is a solid opportunity. Let's do it. If this goes south, it's on you. No problem. I'll take the heat. Mike and Joe quickly enter the short trade. We see the stock price start to decline as the day goes on, and their excitement grows as the stock continues to drop. Yes, we did it, Mike. I told you this was a good move. At the closing bell, Mike and Joe high-five each other and celebrate their successful trade. They walk out of the trading floor already planning their next investment. Now, you're probably wondering, Shinobi, how does this help you find a stock? Let me tell you how this is going to help us find a stock. We're going to look for a stock that's steadily declining over the past few months. Their earnings are plummeting and they're struggling to stay afloat. Maybe they're closing some factories down. Maybe they're doing things that, a company that's doing well isn't really supposed to be doing. And after a few long minutes of research, I have come to the conclusion of Tesla. As you can see, it was trading around $400 and it continued all the way down and it's at 112. We saw the Shanghai factory close and now their earnings does it look like I'm gonna go look at their earnings when I'm gonna make a trade based off what an AI tells me? No. And now their EPS is beating and their revenue is slowly declining. That's enough reason for me to take a short. So I did the logical thing. I didn't even look twice. I went and I bought 10 contracts of the 105 puts expiring on Friday. Today is Tuesday. That means we have 3 days for these puts to hit. Currently, we're sitting around break even. Now, how is ChatGPT going to make us money? Anything that I make from this contract, I'm going to be donating and I'm going to be giving away to you guys in the next video. So hopefully we profit. I would think a robot knows what to do. I think a robot knows exactly how to move the markets because the markets run on algorithms. So theoretically, we have this in the bag. The AIs that run the market and even smarter AI comes out, writes a story to us, signaling us to short a stock that's been steadily declining, that's been missing earnings, and they're struggling to stay afloat. I'm not saying Tesla's struggling to stay afloat, but Elon bought Twitter, he's selling Tesla shares, they closed down the Shanghai, but I don't know. It's not looking too good. So we took the short on Tesla. Now we sit and wait. All right, guys, as of right now, Tesla is dropping. We're up around 10% finally. We're down almost $1 since our entry. And yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. All right, we're up around 15% now, up around $400 on the position so far. Honestly, I thought of this video idea. I'm not sure if I'm going to take 20% or if I'm going to let it ride. I'm actually going to hop on the chart right now to see where we might be heading. I'm going to set out price targets and I'm going to set a trailing stop and profit just so we don't go back right on the play. I'm going to set it at break even. I'll let you guys know how it goes. All right, guys, we're at the 20% mark on Tesla here. Oh, 22.13%. We're almost down $2 whole since our first short entry. Dare I say, ChatGPT is working. Never listen to anything except for your own intuition. I was already watching Tesla for a short and then I just looked at the parameters from ChatGPT and I mashed those two together. Whoa, yo, Tesla just tanked 110.07. We're up 42%. I'm actually about to lock in profit here. Boom, locked in. You guys are gonna be able to see my screenshot here. $1,054. We're able to secure around 40% on this play. Did ChatGPT work? Yes. Should you do this? No, never do this. This is a very bad decision. This was a complete gamble. If it went wrong, I would have been completely fine with it. This is just for funsies. This was just a little YouTube video idea. Don't ever put your money, and don't ever put money that you can't afford to lose into a trade. Please be careful. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys want to see more content like this, make sure you guys leave a comment and then subscribe as well, and I'll see you guys in the next video.